Hi ma'am, good morning. Today we will be discussing about the skeletal system of the shark, which is made of cartilage. So let's start
Starting
with
from
the skull.
the cranium.
This one, the upper part of the skull. So this small hole here
Is called the endolymphatic foramen, and the bigger one is called the perilymphatic foramen.
and the
They are
cartilage
connected
with
through or with the
endolymphatic
endolymphatic
fossa.
fossa.
So this big part here
Is called the otic capsule.
and the opening behind it is the vagus
Foramen and the
the
glossopharyngeal foramen. The
So the rostrum is
okay.
absent and there should be an
Epiphyseal foramen,
here.
a small opening there, and the rostrum fenestra.
So here, this part here, probably, if the rostrum is present, the rostral fenestra will be here.
Yes.
And
The
there will
hollow
also,
part is called the precerebral cavity.
and also there
On
is
its
an
sides,
absence of the
nasal capsules.
here, which sa next. Okay, the rostrum again, the nasal capsule are absent, and um, anyway, this part here connecting the vertebra and the skull is called
the foramen magnum.
and
Let's
this
proceed
part,
to the foramen magnum.
hindi.
This is called the occipital condyle. Let's proceed to the ventral part of the shark. We will hold
anyway,
it.
this part here
Is called the vertebral column.
We'll hold the shark mantle. Okay, ventral part of the skull, and which is also referred to as the slap. Ay,
Splanchnocranium.
cranium.
Splanchnocranium.
So this one here, the the cartilaginous jaw is called Meckel's cartilage, and
Meckel's cartilage, yeah.
this
Proceeding here, the lateral one.
the lateral
We can see here, wait lang muna. The orbit, this encloses the eyes. Then, under it are the antorbital shelf here, and the antorbital process, which cannot be really, is not really visible.
and also sa ventral part, kung dili ka man mag-refer, ma'am,
Mayroon siya holes.
this will be now the
Antorbital shelf.
and this side is the
Antorbital process. Then, may ara holes lapit sa orbit. Mga foramen man gyapon sila. The bigger hole is called the optic foramen. And we can see 3 more holes and some little holes again. They are called
superficial foramen.
dapat ara sa babaw sang
This.
pero
may mga small holes na ma'am. Hindi lang siya visible sa camera pero may ara na siya.
Then may ara pagid mga small but bigger than the small holes. They are called the hyomandibular foramen, the trigeminofacial foramen, and the abducens foramen. Then may ara na siya daw nakatatak somewhere here na basitrabecular process. Then ma-proceed na kami sa caudal fin.
So this one here, and the caudal fin of the shark is supposedly the heterocircle, but then kulang ni siya, ma'am. So here, this
is called the hemal arc.
And
Amani
siya, ma'am, whole.
Then connected siya sa radial pterygophores, Ano mo niya,
ang
vertebral column.
And ang vertebral column, ma'am, may ara na siya radius. Ang
Radial
radius,
to
ang
radio 4.
nag-connect sa...
Ano na yun? Dili na.
ang radial to radio 4 is ang nag-connect sa may siya nga part.
Sa serratotricia. Ang tawag sa fin is serratotricia.
Which is ang
equivalent
counterpart niya kay
sa bonificius
fin.
kay
Bone
fin
rays.
ray.
Fin rays. No joke lang.
Ma-send pa kami isa ka video, ma'am, for the dorsal fin. Thank you.